Good morning. It's a pleasure to be associated with this webinar on COVID-19 management organized by King George's Medical University, Lucknow. COVID-19 has brought its own challenges, and it was like a bolt from the blue in the month of March when this assault came. And in hindsight, what we can say with satisfaction is that the UP government, with the able support of organizations like KGMU, Sanjay Gandhi PGI, Institute of Medical Sciences BHU, and a host of medical colleges, both private and public, we have been able to tackle this huge challenge and its uncertainties. We have been able to undertake several innovations, and today, with a sense of confidence, we are facing the so-called second surge. What COVID has also brought with it is the inner resilience of people and the instinct of human beings and humankind to innovate, experiment, and never say die. Two points in particular I would like to highlight. One is the essence of team building and group approach to this pandemic. We had doctors, we had policemen, we had public representatives, we had NGOs, nurses, students, NCCs, healthcare workers, and in UP, Honorable Chief Minister himself was at the forefront, leading his Team 11 meetings every day without fail for 6.5 months continuously. Every day I recall those meetings used to be a challenge because something new would erupt, and then we will recalibrate our strategy. How to expand ICUs at a fast pace, how to innovate in terms of our COVID protocols, how to train the people out there in the field. They were very vital ingredients. And everybody contributed, the corporates contributed through funds, and in the end, we were able to tackle it. The second point which I would like to highlight was this constant innovation. SGPGI brought out the first of its kind protocol for COVID management when even the government of India was preparing its own at this national level. When it came to non-COVID infections, non-COVID patients getting infected in emergencies, we had our own protocol of segregation and red OTs, which we rolled out. Antigen test mix coupled with the standard RT-PCR test, we developed our own mix, we developed our own strategy, and ultimately it proved to be successful. Electronic COVID care support system, virtual ICUs, and a host of such clinical protocols and technologies have also helped us in reducing the case fatality rate and keeping it within acceptable limits. And WHO has also appreciated the efforts of government of UP. The Reserve Bank of India, the government of India have all expressed satisfaction at the way the biggest state in India, UP, has been able to manage this protocol, despite its huge population and despite its constraints of healthcare infrastructure. So I think there are lessons to be learned, and this webinar, which is being attended by a galaxy of different experts from corporate medical side, from people who are into policy making, from people who are working in medical institutions abroad, all Georgians of course, but people in their own right who are stalwarts, will be able to chalk out some strategies, some focus areas where we could focus our energies and tackle COVID-19 on a long-term basis. Thank you. Jai Hind.